Hello friends, hope you all are safe. As we know, world is facing a common enemy which is COVID-19. It has impacted almost each and every country in the world and is a threat to a human species. The economy has a very bad impact which will take time to recover. To fight against this virus, we all have to pay a huge cost financially as well as emotionally. As there was lockdown for almost 3 months, Government of India has given some relaxations in GST so that business can run easily and come on track as soon as possible. Now coming on today's agenda, we will discuss following topics one by one. Drastic decline in the GST collection, extension in the time limits of various compliances under GST, waiver of late fee levied on delay in filing of GST returns, extension in validity of e-way bill, relaxation on availing ITC on invoices not uploaded by the vendor. There are two charts in this slide. First one represents revenue collected by the GST department and second one represents e-way bill generated for the movement of goods. In the first chart, we can see there is an average collection of 1 lakh crore rupees per month, but April data has not been disclosed by the GST department as due date for the filing of return has been extended. But we can estimate figures of revenue by analyzing the second chart. As we can see, e-way bill generated in January and February month are approximately same, but there is a decrease of 28% in the month of March and 80% in the month of April. By this, we can estimate that revenue for the month of April will also be decreased by the 80% approximately. The department has extended the time limit of various compliances so that business can focus on core activities. So the extended due dates are as follows. Due date of GST annual return for the financial year 18-19 has been extended to 30th September 2020. The taxpayer who want to opt for the composition scheme, they can opt it till 30th June 2020. The due date of notices, cases, filing of appeal, filing of return and any other document which expires between 20th March 2020 and 29th June 2020 is extended till 30th June 2020, which means if any document which has to be submitted or returns have to be filed between these two due dates, or there is any pending case whose last date is coming between 20th March and 29th June, their due date has been extended till 30th June 2020. It is a cash crunch due to COVID-19 and businessmen are not able to pay their taxes on time. So the department has waived off the late fee on the filing of GST return for the month of March, April and May till 30th June 2020. No interest will be charged on the late payment of GST by the taxpayer whose turnover is less than 5 crore. But in case if turnover is more than 5 crore, the interest will be charged, that is 9%. Originally in the law it is 18%, but the government has given relaxation due to COVID-19. E-way bill is a document which is generated when goods are transported from one place to another, having its value more than 50,000. It is valid for 1 day per 100 kilometers. As we all know that there was a lockdown from 24th March 2020 and it was not possible for the transporters to transport the goods within the time limit given in the GST law. So the GST department has given some relaxation in the e-way bill, which is e-way bill which were created before 24th March 2020 having expiry between 20th March and 15th April 2020. Their validity has been extended till 31st May 2020. As per the GST law, ITC can be claimed for the tax paid on purchase of goods or services only when the vendor has uploaded that invoice in his GSTR1. Otherwise, recipient can only claim 110% of the eligible tax being reflected in his GSTR2A, due to which the recipient faces cash crunch and capital shortage. So the government has given relaxation according to which the period from February to August 2020, the recipient can claim 100% of the ITC and the final adjustment of ITC to align with the above law. Restriction of 10% above the ITC in GSTR 2A will be done in the GSTR 3B of September month. Thank you.